Meanwhile, we have a breaking input. Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra have postponed their Wayanad visit. It has been postponed due to bad weather. In fact, last night, Rahul Gandhi made a tweet on X and he went on to say that he was scheduled to visit Wayanad tomorrow, that is today, to meet with the families affected by the landslide and take stock of the situation. However, due to incessant rains and adverse weather conditions, we have been informed by the authorities that we will not be able to land. I want to assure all the people of Wayanad that we will visit soon as possible, and in the meantime we will continue to monitor the situation. Have a look at this reaction.
बहुत हृदय विदारक दुर्घटना है, कई लोगों की जान गई है। कल हमारे नेता राहुल गांधी जी, प्रियंका गांधी जी, केसी वेणुगोपाल जी सुबह जा रहे हैं वायनाड और राहत कार्यों में जितनी हो सके कांग्रेस पार्टी के कार्यकर्ताओं को उन्होंने आदेश दिया है कि वो उसमें शामिल हों और राहत कार्य में थोड़ी और तेजी लाएं। जो मृतक हैं उनकी आत्मा को शांति की हम प्रार्थना करते हैं और उनके परिजनों को मजबूती दे भगवान, उनको थोड़ी ताकत दे, हिम्मत दे इस तरह का दुख झेलने के लिए।
My colleague Deepak joins me on the phone line. Deepak, we are seeing that Rahul Gandhi is not able to land in Wayanad because of the incessant rains, but also as far as the death toll is concerned, it has mounted to 151 is what we're getting to know, and rescue operations are also underway. What more can you tell us?
In many of the places, there have been, of course, rescue teams who have been operating, as late as 3 a.m. Of course, they have to have taken precautions themselves because there was rain as well overnight. But at this point in time, the numbers are only expected to rise. The distressing news is that we've learned from some of the officials that some of the bodies have been swept away kilometers from where the landslide has actually happened. So there are some bodies which were found downstream. This is a continuous process at this point in time, and right now to put a number on the deaths is going to be quite difficult, at least for the next 24 to 48 hours. But until last night, the efforts, of course, were to save as many people. In the next 12 hours, of course, is going to be very crucial, because for anybody who's trapped, for them to rescue them, to get them out of the debris would be very, very important, and that is the effort that's going to be taking place today. Because if after about 48 hours, it would only mean that they are trying to remove mortal remains, and the saving a person would become quite difficult or impossible. So the efforts today will be to save as many people as they can.